let's quickly take a look at some things, guys. We've taken a look at BABA here. You should be able to know these things. We've gone from narrow state, as we talked, to wide state. You know you've got to be taking profit somewhere up here. You know, here's your first entry, color change, protection, protection. How do you walk your stop up from the first protection? Protection 1, boom. Protection 2, boom. Protection 3, boom. Protection 4, away, profit take. And I want you celebrating up here. All right. I want you celebrating. You know how to celebrate. Boom. That's how you celebrate. Boom. You're celebrating. You're celebrating up here away from the moving averages. Where are you getting in? Elephant bar. Boom. Protection. Elephant bar, boom, protection. Color change, boom. Now you can go the other way. Why? Because now the stock is under and the 20 is sloping downward. So how do you play this? Bear elephant bar, protection, color change, boom. Color change, boom. Guys, I have basically 10 to 15-year-olds doing this like pros. They're not overcomplicating things. This is getting boring now. You should all know this. Look, boom, there's your elephant, protection. And you've got color scenarios here near the 20. You've got away. There are so many other things I need to teach you as well. It's not just this, but I wanted to start off with this to show you that it's not rocket science. Look, narrow state, wide state, right? From the narrow state, we can explode, okay? Boom, elephant bar, tail bar, away, away. You've got this, traders. MU, look, now here's something interesting, guys. I want to show you this. You've got the 20, the 200. The 20 is rising, but you've got a bear elephant bar. I want you to ignore that. This bar is played under the moving averages, above the moving average. So you play it there for downward, right? But above, you ignore. You're waiting for the buy signal. What's your first buy signal? Boom. Elephant. Away. Color change, color change, color change, away. Wide, go to lunch or go have breakfast. You're done. It's a wide state now. It's over. You're over at 10:30. Go have some breakfast. Go have a cup of coffee. Walk around the block. Walk your dog. Just don't press things anymore. All right? We've talked about this chart before. You go from a narrow state to a wide state. Wide state. I want you celebrating up in these areas, right? I want you celebrating up in these areas. You're away. You're away. And here you're near. Away. Boom. Why? Remember I told you I was going to explain why you don't take this red one? Because it's above the moving averages. We want to wait for a buy. Boom. Protection. Away. Celebrate. You've got this, traders. You can do this. If you really want to, you can do this. Look at Roku. Look. Elephant. Boom. Protection. Color change. Boom. Protection. Look at your risk. Away. I want you celebrating. Away. I want you. Look. Boom. Tail bar. Elephant bar. I want you celebrating. Away. It's not rocket science. All right. Now we've gone from a narrow state to a wide state. It's lunchtime. Go to lunch. Don't be greedy. All right. Don't press things. It's time to leave. You don't have to do this all day. Narrow state, wide state. Boom. Boom. Protection, protection, color change, away. Well, you want to, when you start to get wider and wider apart, be careful, get ready, because there can only be so much width before your stock starts breaking down. All right? Beautiful. You know what to do here, traders. Look at this on Visa. Look at this. Boom! Elephant and color change right off the 200. Let's do the next one. Boom! Protection, color. You get this. You've got this. All you need is money and to be with us every day so that we keep you sharp and tight on everything.
I hope I made myself clear. If you have any questions whatsoever, just jot them below. I will try to answer every single one. If you like this brief little talk on a tiny little subject, which I plan to do more frequently here, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe by clicking the bell in the upper left-hand corner. And once again, leave a comment. Let's help the algorithm. And let's help this message get out to as many people as possible. So next time, traders, trade well. Ciao for now. Boom.